Hi guys, my name is Julia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut your own curtain bangs at home. This is a really simple method that always works for me. If you haven't already, check out my other video where I show you how to cut a bob haircut by yourself. So today, it's all about bangs. For this haircut, you'll only need sharp hair cutting scissors, a comb, and 2 hair clips. Let's get started. Step 1. The part. This is super important. You need to part your hair right down the middle so your bangs turn out nice and symmetrical. Start from the tip of your nose and use it as a guide to create a clean centered part all the way up. Step 2. Sectioning your bangs. Now you're going to section out the hair that will become your bangs. We're making a triangular section. Use the ends of your eyebrows as a guide and start from the middle. Your section should look like a little triangle, going from the center of your head out towards the sides. And now it's time to use your 2 hair clips to separate the rest of your hair. This keeps everything out of the way so you don't accidentally cut anything you don't want to. Take your time here and make sure the section is even on both sides. Something like this. Step 3. Dividing the section. Now you're going to divide this triangle into 2 even pieces, using your center part as a guide. To create that classic curtain bangs effect, take one part, let's say the right part, and put it diagonally across your face towards the left. This helps shape the curtain look perfectly. Hold the hair close to your head and place the fingers at the level you want your bangs to fall. Then snip off the excess. And here's the fun trick I always use for any of my haircuts. Hold your scissors vertically to trim and even out the hair. This will give a soft blended effect and will hide any little uneven bits, even if you're doing it for the first time. It's a lifesaver. I always recommend starting by cutting a little at first. Check the length, and if it's still too long, you can trim a little bit more. Remember, if you cut too much at once, you can't glue it back, guys. If your bangs look a bit longer than you want, no worries. Just trim a little more. Don't be afraid to adjust. It's totally normal to repeat the step until it's just right. Look at me, I had to do it 3 times. Once the first side is perfect, move on to the second side and repeat the same steps. And here's one more tip I always use. Take a strand from the part you've already finished, like the right side, and use it as a guide for the unfinished side. This keeps both sides even and balanced. Step 4. Styling your bangs. This step is super important. Since you have bangs now, styling should become your best friend. I like to use a volumizing mousse and round brush to give my bangs shape, lift, and a little extra bounce. And voila, the final result. I really love it. It adds a little texture and volume to your bob haircut. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next videos. Bye!